2062 on 1215. GoCat 2986, this is GoCat 2062 on 1215.
GoCat 2986 on guard. GoCat 2986, GoCat 2062 on guard.
For the military airplane, you are approaching my military security air. Please go away quickly in order to launch ordnance. Is it me?
60 calling U.S. military aircraft. Please identify yourself. I am a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
Delta 866 on standby 121.5. Delta 866.
This is the Chinese Navy. This is the Chinese Navy. This is the Chinese sky. For a military airplane, you are approaching my military security air. Please go away quickly in order to run ordnance.
Station calling U.S. military aircraft. Please identify yourself.
Okay, in order to run ordnance. With me?
Station calling U.S. military aircraft. Please identify yourself.
This is the Chinese Navy. This is the Chinese Navy. This is the Chinese terror sky. Please go away quickly in order to run ordnance.
I am a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
Foreign military aircraft, this is Chinese Navy. You are approaching our military alert zone. Leave immediately in order to avoid misjudgment.
I am a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
Foreign military aircraft, this is Chinese Navy. You are approaching our military alert zone. Leave immediately in order to avoid misjudgment.
I am a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
Okay, 2994, Malaysian 38, calling 115.
U.S. military aircraft, attention. This Chinese Navy, you are approaching our military zone. Please stay away this area and leave immediately. Your action is unfriendly and dangerous. Your actions are dangerous.
Station calling U.S. military aircraft. Please identify yourself. I'm a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
Viva 6086, contact the Manila.
Order of 119 and we are...
Foreign military airplane. Foreign military airplane. You are approaching my military security area. Please go away quickly in order to avoid long judgment. 外国军机已接近我军事警戒区，为避免误判，请立即远离。
Station calling U.S. military aircraft. Please identify yourself. I am a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
This is Chinese Navy. Please go away quickly in order to avoid long judgment.
我黑米还叫你了，我黑米了。Bravo Kilo Articulate requesting flight level 430.
American military airplane. You are operating by military security out. Please go away quickly in order to avoid a long judgment.
Station calling U.S. military aircraft. Please identify yourself.
This is Chinese Navy. Please go away quickly in order to avoid a long judgment.
I'm a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
Go, go! American military airplane. American military airplane. You are operating by military security out.